Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Neng Merly. You can call me Merly. Name 19240337. Information System Study Program. Here I will deliver material about computers. Definition of a computer. I will explain the definition of a computer. A computer is an electronic device designed to represent, process it according to specific instructions, and then produce output or information. A computer can perform various tasks such as consulting, storing data, and running programs. Main components of a computer. Now let's move on to the main components of a computer. A computer consists of two major parts, hardware and software. First, hardware. These are the physical parts of a computer that can be seen and touched. For example, the CPU, RAM, monitor, keyboard, and mouse. Software. These are programs or systems that control the operation of a computer. Examples include operating systems like Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, and applications like Microsoft Word, Excel, or web browser. Basic function of a computer. Now let's talk about the basic function of a computer. There are four main functions that a computer performs: input, processing, storage, and output. Input is the process of receiving data. This can come from devices such as the keyboard, mouse, or other input device. Processing is the action where the computer's CPU processes the data according to specific instructions or programs. Storage is the process of saving the data. It can be stored temporarily in RAM or permanently in hard disk or SSD. Finally, output is the display of the processed results. This can be shown on a monitor, printed or a printer, or held to the speaker. Types of computer. Personal computer. Commonly assembled at home, school, and office. Laptop, a portable version of a PC that can be carried anywhere. Mini computer. Smaller than a mainframe, typical should be decent business. Mainframe computer. Should be large companies to manage massive amount of data. Supercomputer. The fastest and most powerful computer aside from scientific research and complex simulation. Benefits of computer: simplicity, office work, and business tasks. Support the teaching and learning process, access information quickly. Serve as a sort of entertainment, games, music, and movies, as a communication tools, email, social media. Yes, this is the development of computer from the first generation, which was a large as a room and slow. Computer have constantly evolved to become smaller, faster, and smarter. Today, we can find computer in the form of smartphone, smartwatch, and even smart device in our homes. Okay, this is a continuation of the material about how a computer works. Title: The basic flow of how a computer works. Here are some key points in the material. Number 1. Input. Data is entered through devices like a keyboard, mouse, etc. Process. The CPU processes the data according to program instructions, and so data is stored temporarily in RAM or permanently in a hard drive. An output, the result is shown through a monitor, printer, or speakers. Thank you all. Maybe that's all I can say. More or less, I apologize. Thank you. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Neng Merly. You can call me Merly. Name 19240337. Information System Study Program. Here I will deliver material about inside a computer. Here I will present material about the inside of computers. Inside a computer refers to the components within a computer that work together to perform various functions. A computer consists of different parts that are instructed to process data and execute instructions for software. Main components of a computer. A computer consists of four main parts, namely ALU, arithmetic logic unit, control unit, memory, input-output device. ALU perform arithmetic operation, addition, subtraction, perform logical operation and or not action as the data processing center of the CPU. This is a continuation of the previous one, namely memory stores data and interaction, RAM read and write. Temporary memory RAM read only stores permanent data. Input device assigned to enter data into the computer. Example: keyboard, mouse, scanner, joystick, touchpad, light fan. Output device display or output the result of data processing. Example: monitor, printers, speaker, plotter, speech synthesizer. Combined input-output device that function as both input and output. Hard disk device plus device optical disk drive. CPU Central Processing Unit. The brain of the computer executes software instructions, measures bit speed, handle all calculation and control tasks. Such device assigned to struct that for finalization. Hard disk, high-speed, RAR capacity, flash drive, flexible CD and DVD asset official media. The bus system in a computer is a combination whereby the contains various internal components of the computer, such as the CPU, memory, and other devices. The bus system allows that and information the flow between these parts. System bus communication channel between components transfer data and control signal without the bus component can connect. Yes, this is the importance of internal component. Each component has a specific role, but none can function effectively in isolation. The CPU processes commands, but it needs memory to store them, a ALU to convert them, device to interact with user, and stock to retain that. System efficiency depends on how well these parts communicate and coordinate to that bus system. Conclusion: all components CPU, memory, ILU, and stock work together as a single system to ensure the computer can perform user tasks and iteration. How upgrades affect performance. Adding more RAM can improve multitasking and speed. RAM slicing and HDD width and SSD make booting and loading faster. A more powerful CPU enhances processing stabilities for tasks like gaming, editing, or data analysis. Upgrading a CPU graphics card boosts graphic performance for facial application. Thank you all. Maybe that's all I can say. More or less, I apologize. Thank you.